Okay.
Part 3.
Part 3 of Richard's Parrot.
Richard and Polly.
Richard and Polly. We're going to attempt standing up now and hopefully not get my ear chewed off or my eyes pecked out.
Alright, so go on, stand up.
Okay. Are you ready, Polly?
It's a big moment. Come on. You're so scared you don't want to get up.
Mate.
You're terrified. You're really keeping it cool.
Mate, where is this guy come from?
Oh, I've got my bottle to my face just in case. Come on, get up. Stand up.
Look at his feathers, look how blue he is.
Stand up.
Okay, right, we're gonna stand up. You ready? You ready? We're gonna go. Okay, ready? Come on. Come on. Come on, hold on.
He's fine, he's
come
comfortable.
On. Come on.
I don't know if he does anything weird.
Come on. Come on.
Mate, you are owning that package.
There we
He's
go.
having a scratch, he's casual.
Is he okay?
Yeah, mate. Now
He's
walk
good.
over to that, away
Okay.
from me.
Okay.
I love you, Rich. I've got
Okay.
your back.
Thanks, sorry. I tell you what, he's very well balanced.
Yeah,
He's very well balanced.
Right,
Okay.
I'm going to go and get that mix you showed me a minute ago.
Yeah, get the trail mix. Make sure you close that door behind you though. I don't want him in the house because he'll probably pull all over the house.
Alright, be back in a minute, mate.
Okay. What? Is that your mates? Is that your mates? Yeah? Come on then, let's go over here. You can fly out. You can go if you want. Do you want to go? You can go. You want to go? No, you don't want to go?